for a while kahit nag-lay una. Nakastagatan na nito din na, you know, it's all because of politics. But that's farthest from my mind. We want to come up. Anyway, see, I am very proud to be a Louisian. And those memorable days in the high school kami agad ato the memorable days. I bought 2 firearms Baltic. Ni Ben Jules. At ni Colonel Ventura. Ano ito hindi rabi eh. Nagkita niya ni for a while we thought that he was going to die when he was in the United States. Nagsakit. Ikapsat na kaklase niya. Naglako Baltic, 25 pesos. Bunga Baltic. Ang saksi ko ito. Recess. Hindi tayo. Kuna ni Mr. Conrad. Kami nanalagaw kami di mata kami di kami niya mag-espelaan. Naglinya kami nga siya. Yung pagtatake siya uli. Kinakapan na mamin. Inala na diwa niya. Siya ka din siya kamuti pakipagkatawag di palto. Ay kabila ka natin. Hindi pagsabot na kanya sa tinulit. Inyawan ko siya ginanang mga kinakapan na magsatak niya ang pupunta. So, kung nalagano ka iso nga nagbalik na abogado na listong kagaya nga mangilang magitipaso mo. Anyway, ikaw na ni Pops Karoket mo, matilip kayo, nilamsing nilintag. Ipagkang katimus mo, Luis anak. Kasi, ako naman.
Correct!
Anyway, what Henry Hill said a while ago, we mean business. Colonel Franco and I had several meetings and we would like to restore law and order in the streets. I do hope that you will join us in restoring this discipline in our streets. Very strict tayo. From August to January, we have been conducting daily seminars for all public utility drivers. We were able to muster about close to 15,000 number of participants prior to the issuance of an ID. So, the ID that we are now issuing to all of the drivers is important. Without the ID,
principled alumni. In fact, this morning I was issued a ticket for parking obstruction, and I have to ask my driver to get the plate number because I was in a hurry this morning to attend the marathon awarding and had to proceed to Athletic Bound, and I just parked in a corner, not mindful na okay lang yan. So when I got back, I got this. I never asked any, no, I will pay for this. However, when I asked, Colonel Franco said 150, and Director Mandaco said 1,500. Sabi ko, don't you worry, there's a clause here. Admitted and under protest. So I have checked under protest for charging me higher. Just to show you the point that while we have voice-like people in power, it is something for us to be proud of and not to abuse. Okay? Once in a while, yes. For the sake of the spirit. Our city accountant, I'm proud to say, they're coming from my batch. Tony Tabin, but he is not here. Tony Tabin belongs to class 76, my batchmates. And of course, the name was mentioned, the city fiscal, who is good looking with his well-groomed hair. And we call him Fiscal Fred Centeno, please. Yes.
So we're proud to be Louisians. Kasi kung namin Colonel Franco, we mean business. Kung naman ni Bong, we mean business. Kung naman ni Class 69, we mean business also. So, you will know that if you are apprehended by the police, you are apprehended by the Bureau, either the Bureau of Internal Revenue or by the you stay, then your end will come to the office because we'll be the ones prosecuting you. So, ganyan ko na natin Henry, let us not abuse our classmates, our batchmates, our alumni, but only once in a while. So, we all sat here since 1963. We are there, no? We are there, 1963, 40.